Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni on Wednesday after she congratulated him on the third consecutive electoral victory in the Lok Sabha polls, adding that he is looking forward to working together for global good. Expressing gratitude to his Italian counterpart, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a post on X wrote, "Thank you for your kind wishes, PM Giorgia Meloni. We remain committed to the deepening India-Italy strategic partnership, which is underpinned by shared values and interest. Looking forward to working together for global good," he added. The Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, in her congratulatory message to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, said that both nations will cooperate on various issues that bind the two nations and are for the well-being of the people. In her congratulatory message, she wrote, "Congratulations to Narendra Modi on the new electoral victory and my warmest wishes for good work. Certain that we will continue to work together to strengthen the friendship that unites Italy and India and consolidate cooperation on various issues that bind us for the well-being of our nations and our peoples," Italian PM Meloni said in a social media post posted on X. Other leaders also congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the BJP-led NDA government, on their third consecutive victory in the Lok Sabha polls. Singapore Prime Minister Lawrence Wong also extended congratulations to Prime Minister Modi earlier today. Writing on the social media X, he said, "Congratulations, Narendra Modi, on the historic victory by the NDA for the third consecutive term." He wrote in a post on X, "Looking forward to working with you and deepen the Singapore-India partnership and to celebrate the 60th anniversary of diplomatic ties next year," Wong added. Maldives President, on the other hand, Mohammad Midzu, also congratulated Prime Minister Modi and said that he looks forward to working together to advance the shared interest in the pursuit of shared prosperity and stability for the two countries. In his social media post, he writes, "Congratulations to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP and the BJP-led NDA on the success in a 2024 Indian general elections for the third consecutive term. I look forward to working together to advance our shared interest in the pursuit of shared prosperity and stability." In response, Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked the Maldivian President and said that he looks forward to closer cooperation for further strengthening of the bilateral ties between the two nations. He said, "MALE is New Delhi's valued partner and neighbor in the Indian Ocean region. Thank you, President Mizu. Maldives is our valued partner and neighbor in the Indian Ocean region. I too look forward to closer cooperation for further strengthening of our bilateral ties." Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness and said that he looks forward to working together for the welfare of the people of the two countries. In a social media post, he wrote, "Andrew Holness, India and Jamaica relationships are marked by centuries-old people-to-people ties. I look forward to working together with you for the welfare of our people." He also thanked Barbados PM Mia Amor Motley and affirmed that strong partnership between the two nations for the welfare of the people. The counting of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections was held on Tuesday. According to the Election Commission of India, the BJP won 240 seats and with its allies has 292 seats in the parliament. The Congress, on the other hand, registered a strong growth, winning 99 seats. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.